G'day folks, welcome back to the shed. If you saw the last episode, you'd know that this tow bar is not real good. There's a heap of rust, looks like it's been used for launching boat. I'm going to cut this plate off, so I'll just get started. We'll see if we can resurrect this tow bar. If you're in stubborn steel, questionable fabrication and doing it the hard way, hit the subscribe button. You might as well stick around to see how badly this goes. I think this one underneath here is still hanging on. Where else have we got? Hanging on. There we go. The back of that plate actually doesn't look too bad. Probably clean that up and reuse it. At least it'll make a template. This here's what's concerning me. Depends how bad the rust is here. I'll get flap disc onto that. See if it's recoverable or not. Hope it is. Because it's not real pretty. This section just here, that's where it's bulged out. Right, so I've got that mounting plate all cleaned up, put it through the blast cabinet, but it's not real good. I don't think this camera's going to pick this up, but it's pretty badly pitted, and I'm not real happy about using that. I think I've got a bit of plate kicking around here somewhere. It's here somewhere. And I'll put it somewhere safe. Maybe I've stuck it over here somewhere. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Ah, there it is. There it is. There's this. There we go. I think that might do the job. Alright, so we'll just mark that off. Should be pretty much perfect. Nearly through. Well, I argue with this whole story about the meaning of life. Hit a like. Got it? Thumbs up would be great. Alright. And it catches straight away. Well, we can see everything's not perfectly aligned with this pedestal, but it is what it is. There we go. 2 holes. That took a whole lot more than it should have. But it's a tiny little drill press, and yeah, it's not really designed to be doing this sort of work. Those teeth feel alright still. Now, it's not the hole saw that's the problem, it's the drill press. I'm not the greatest welder around. I haven't done any welding for about 3 years. I bought a new welder and I've hardly ever used it, so I'm still trying to get my head around how this one works. Alright, so that's all painted up, ready to go. I do have another hitch which I've had laying around here for quite some time. Instead of this fucked up piece of shit that's here, that can go to scrap metal. Let's just kill that battery. So this is the other side. This captive nut's still in place. Let's see if we can screw into it. That actually feels pretty good. I'm happy with that. That'll go in. Alright, so I don't have to drill anything into this side, which is really good. I'll go straight in. I've got some brand new bolts for everything. Story of my life, laying under a bloody car. What a view. Yoo-hoo! Get this thing in. Oh, you dumb prick. That's a start. Alright, so just push it back, this plate back in. Bolt through. Just need a nut for that. Let's get our nut on top. Up through the... Oh, actually this one. Can't use that one in there. Not enough room for it. Just gotta be careful because there's a wire inside of this chassis and I don't want to catch that. Slide the tongue in. We're done. I don't want to leave this tongue in. So that can come out and just go in the back. Just the tow bar repaired and ready to go. There's plenty of oil in that. That's still smelling quite a lot like fuel. So I'm probably going to have to change the oil and filter in that again. I am hoping that it's just the fact that it had pumped a heap of fuel into the sump prior to actually getting it running, that there was some fuel left in there and the oil change. It doesn't smell as bad, but it doesn't smell great. I'm not happy with that. So I'm going to have to change that oil and filter, and hopefully that'll sort it. If it turns out that this engine's still pumping fuel into the sump, then I might have to do something fairly drastic about that. I do have the motor in this one, and I know this engine's good. The only problem that I saw with this engine was puffing a little bit of blue smoke on startup, and that to me is probably just valve stem seals. So I might have to swap out that engine, see if this one here, if this one continues to pump fuel into the sump, then I'm just going to have to do that. Don't really want to, this engine runs great otherwise. Well, that'll do it for this one. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, do all the good stuff, and we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, bye.
The LandCruiser, stuck here in the dark. Dreams of highways wild and free, but all it's given is misery. Once a treasure, now